In this video, I'm going to cover rational exponents. First, let's write this expression in its equivalent radical form. The 9 means that we have a radicand, a number under the root of 9. The 2 in the denominator is the index, which is the root, and the 3 in the numerator means we can either cube the 9 here, or we can perform the square root of 9 and then cube the answer. And I'm going to do it this last way because it's easier to do this in my head. It's not necessary to write the 2 on the outside since square root of 9 implies two factors that multiply to equal 9. So we will just write this as square root 9 cubed. Square root of 9 is of course 3. And 3 to the third power is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So this is the final answer to this problem. Next, let's work out 27 to the 4/3. Again, we will write the 27 under the radical. This time, since 3 is in the denominator, we will be taking the cube root, and I'm going to do the 4th power on the outside. So the cube root of 27 is of course 3, since 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And then 3 to the 4th, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. So this is the final answer to this problem. Next, let's work out the answer to 4 to the 3/2. 4 will go under the radical. 2 for the denominator means we're taking the square root, but we don't need to write a 2 here. And then we will cube our answer. So the square root of 4 is 2, and 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, is 8. So this is our final answer for this third problem. For this last problem, let's work out 64 to the 2/3 power. I'm going to write 64 under the radical. We will take the cube root, since there's a 3 in the denominator of the fractional exponent, and then we will square our answer. Since 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, the cube root of 64 is 4. Then we just need to square the 4 to get to our final answer of 16. I hope this short video helps in understanding rational exponents. Please follow for more math tips.